Nowadays there are 3 types of window frames in the market, but we are developing a new system that is more efficient and also more sustainable. In this case, what we are doing is, the approach is to maximize the recycled content of this material together with the bio-based content that is our specialty right now. My name is Pablo, I'm polymer chemist, and I'm the CEO and founder of INDRESMAT, a chemical-based company that is developing bio-based polyurethane materials to reduce the carbon footprint and to improve the energy efficiency in buildings. In SURPASS, we are developing some formulations and to set up a process that is able to reprocess polyurethane foam waste, which is very difficult to recycle, and we are doing this with 2 different approaches. One of them is to modify our formulations to be reprocessable, and the other is to set up a process in order to be capable of reprocessing conventional materials. The most important feature of our window is related to energy efficiency. It's the most energy thermal insulating window, but also acoustic insulation. Finally, this is a foam product and also made out of polyurethane, which is the most insulating material. So this is the main purpose of these window frames.